It's time for another room tour of West Edmonton Mall's Fantasyland Hotel. This time we stayed in the African Safari Room. Come check it out.
Hey everyone, it's Marty from Down the Rabbit Hole Travel. Once again, we are spending a weekend here at West Edmonton Mall's Fantasyland Hotel, and this time we're staying in the African-themed room.
We chose this particular room for two reasons. One, it was on sale, and I'm rather cheap. And two, we've stayed in several of the other rooms already, and I like new experiences. We've stayed in and made videos about the Igloo Room, the Pirate Room, and the Space Room. And in my pre-YouTube days, have also stayed in the Polynesian Room and the Roman Room. As you can tell, I like a good theme room.
It's also a family room, which means it has a queen-size bed and 2 bunk beds for the kids to sleep in.
There are different levels of room types: regular, family, and luxury. The luxury ones are the ones you see in all of the Fantasyland ads, so just keep that in mind. We do family rooms now because of the bunk beds, and our kids love it.
Let's see what it is.
As per usual, the room stays very true to its theme, which was African Safari. My husband and I were a little like, are they still allowed to call it that? But regardless of how proper the name is in this day and age, the decor sure fit the theme. Also, is it just me, or does a mirror above the bed seem a little weird in a family room? After a full day of splashing, wave jumping, and water sliding at the World Water Park, we headed back to our room so my kids and their cousins could check out the bunk beds and the jacuzzi tub. The kids gave the jacuzzi tub 8 big thumbs up. It was fun to check out yet another theme room at Fantasyland Hotel. I feel like I've reviewed so many, maybe it's time the hotel comps my next one. Just kidding. Maybe. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to let me know by clicking that little thumbs up button, leaving a comment, or even sharing it out on your social media so it gets more views. Thanks to all of my returning subscribers for your continued love and support. I truly appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love it if you did. Click that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I publish a new video. Happy travels, everyone!